Hello students, I am Ujala Devangan. Today we start chapter 9, Trigonometric Equation and Identities. We studied trigonometric ratios sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta in class 9th. आप लोग को याद होगा ट्रिग्नोमेट्री रेशियोज को याद करने के लिए आप लोगों को एक सेंटेंस दिया गया था 9th में. Some people have curly black hair to pretend beauty. इनके सबके फर्स्ट लेटर से हम ट्रिग्नोमेट्री रेशियोज को लर्न करते हैं, याद करते हैं. एस पी एच, एस से साइन थीटा, पी अपॉन एच. कर्ली ब्लैक हेयर, सी बी एच, cos theta, C B upon H. To pretend beauty, 2 T tan P upon B, where P perpendicular, B base and H hypotenuse. And what is the perpendicular, hypotenuse and base? For this, consider a triangle ABC in which angle B is 90 degree. And opposite side of right angle is hypotenuse. This is called hypotenuse H. And perpendicular opposite side to angle. If we take angle C, so AB is perpendicular. If we take angle A, BC is perpendicular. And base remaining sides. For angle C, perpendicular is, for this angle perpendicular is AB. Hypotenuse AC, opposite of right angle, and remaining side is base. BC is base. That means for sin C is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that means AB upon AC. Cos C base upon hypotenuse means BC upon AC. And tan C perpendicular upon base, AB upon BC. For angle A, perpendicular angle A, opposite side of angle A is BC. Hypotenuse, opposite side of right angle AC, and base remaining side AB. Sin A is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, BC upon AC. Cos A base upon hypotenuse, AB upon AC. And tan A perpendicular upon base, BC upon AB. Now look at figure 1 first. Here in triangle ABC, consider angle B. Is it possible to identify all the trigonometry ratios at angle B, theta? To find all the trigonometry ratios for angle theta, we have to make a right angle triangle including the angle theta. For this, we draw right angle. For this, we draw perpendicular from A to BC. Suppose this is D. And forming angle is suppose theta 1, theta 2 and theta 3. Perpendicular, that means 90 degree. Now complete the following table for acute angle theta and theta 1. Sin theta. Here theta, opposite of theta, that means AD is perpendicular, and opposite of right angle AB is hypotenuse. So sin theta equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse AD upon AB. Cos theta. Base. For theta, perpendicular AD, hypotenuse AB, so BD is base. BD upon hypotenuse AB. Tan theta, perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is AD and base is BD. Cot theta is the inverse of tan theta. So BD upon AD. Sec theta is inverse of cos theta. AB upon BD. And cosec theta is the inverse of sin theta. AB upon AD. For sin theta 1. For angle theta 1. Angle theta 1. Right angle. So this side is hypotenuse for triangle ADC, and angle theta 1, opposite of theta 1 is DC is perpendicular. DC is perpendicular and remaining side AD is base. So sin theta 1 perpendicular upon hypotenuse DC upon AC. Cos theta 1 base upon hypotenuse. For theta 1 base is AD and hypotenuse AC. Tan perpendicular upon base. CD upon AD. Cot theta 1 opposite of inverse of tan theta 1. AD upon CD. Sec theta 1 inverse of cos theta 1. AC upon AD, and cosec theta 1 is the inverse of sin theta 1. AC upon CD. Thanks for watching my video.